time had come to try to take on both the green roof and the solar PV installation.
The goals of this project were not only to create something beautiful and something functional, but we also had ecological goals: stormwater retention, energy efficiency.
Originally, we chose this building for its southern exposure. There's no obstructions in the field of view, and that's really ideal for a solar application. If you come down here, you can see the anchor system. So we have our steel supports here anchored down into our steel structure underneath. We have put a boot on top, and it's all waterproof.
We chose to go forward with the Tpo roofing system. White roof has great energy efficiency capabilities.
This section of the roof, we could add no more weight. So what we decided to do was put in solar tubes. Flashing is put down on the roof, you cut a hole down, and then inside you run a reflective tube. On the inside of the office, you have a lens, so it's basically just a skylight.
On this part of the roof, we have our solar thermal system. Standing in front of the first of the two solar collectors, this evacuated tube collector heats up the water as it passes through, transfers the energy to the domestic hot water tank in the boiler room. The other collector behind this one, it's called flat plate solar collector. What we're doing here is comparing the effectiveness of two different types of solar thermal technology in the same environment.
Extensive green roof soil is a really highly engineered soil. This gives it an extremely lightweight profile and creates a really well-drained soil condition, which is perfect for sedums, plants that would exist within the desert climate.
We will be monitoring both the white roof that we have in one section and the green roof for their impact.
We built a replica, a demonstration plot of the green roof, so we've used the exact same materials that the roof was installed with.
So what we're working with here is we have temperature sensors which are connected to a data logger, and what we're trying to show here is how well the green roof is acting as an insulator.
So these roofs are important not only because they cut down on building like AEA's heating and cooling costs, but also because it's providing a service for the city by treating stormwater naturally where it falls.
With all these different systems in place, the last component was to create a classroom where students can come and learn about all these different technologies. We wanted to create a relaxed seating area that matched the rest of the design.
Full 2-year-long process. It's pretty amazing to have the combination of each of the different components of this effort on the roof and tying it in fully to our training center.
What happens in this building in the Association for Energy Affordability has an impact of historic and national proportion. 2, 1, yay!
We have to think of all of our underutilized spaces in the city, of which roofs are a major piece, as a new green infrastructure.
The energy efficient buildings signs on the side of this building convey our mission, our commitment. And I think an awful lot of people coming into the Bronx will see that as the first thing, an amazing welcome to the Bronx.